You're welcome to Mrs. Brown's Chronicle. Please, if this is your first time here, you're very welcome. Please do consider joining the family by clicking on the red subscribe button down below. And because I would like to have you here more often, please turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my videos. And for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for the second method, still pour in some water enough to make the bad ones float as usual. Remove them. Then I'll go ahead and transfer it into a bigger bowl because for this one you'll be needing space. Go ahead and use a grater such as this one and scrub the peels off. Scrub the beans against the grater. This method is simpler, is easier because the grater do most of the job. So as you scrub along, once the black stuffs gets clogged in the grater, knock them off like this one. So I'll go ahead and knock it off. Continue doing it like this until you finish scrubbing. This method took me about 7 minutes in total. Like, I'm not sure it's up to 7 minutes, but I do not want to reduce the time. It took, let's say, in total of 7 minutes to scrub and rinse the beans. This method is very easy. Give it a try and give me feedback in the comment section, but I love feedback. So go ahead, scrub, then knock off the black stuffs. Do it that way. It's very simple, it's very easy, it's not time consuming. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, please endeavor to do so. That makes me happy. Share this video with your family and friends, and I would love to always have you around. So as you can see, this is the first rinsing. I'll go ahead and remove the beans that entered inside the sieve. This is the second rinsing, and look at it. Isn't it magical? Very simple. So here are the results. Check the description box to watch the first method of how I peeled these beans. So I've gone ahead to combine them together. Next, I'll spread them out under the sun like this and allow it to dry. So in less than 2 days, we have it all dried up, and I'll be taking it to a heavy duty blender, or heavy duty mill rather, because my blender is not strong enough. And I saved some of them in a bottle like this for my baby girl, for her beans porridge and the rest. See you guys later. So here I've got our beans flour ready for moi-moi, akara, and maybe beans porridge for babies and the rest. So after blending, what you do is to spread it out this way before packaging it. It has to be cooled off completely. So since I came back, I spread it out, and now I'm packaging it in an airtight container. It can last as long as 6 months or more. So let's move to the second method. So for the second method, I'll be using just 3 cups of beans because it's not my favorite method of making beans flour. It's not really hygienic, so it's not time consuming, it's not stressful. All you have to do is to go ahead and pick out all the stones and every other thing that doesn't look like beans, then take it to the grinder, and that will be all. So here I've grinded it. It's all ready for moi-moi, akara, and whatever you want to use it for. But I won't advise you to give this to your baby because it's not really hygienic. You know, if you have a closer look, I just hope you can see it. You will see some little tiny particles. You know, I'll try and zoom it and hope that you see it. Some little tiny particles that I'm not sure you would want to see that in your moi-moi, you know. So that's just it for this video. Please, if you've not subscribed, please endeavor to do so. That will encourage me to make more videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Drop a comment for us in the comment section. It could be an idea, it could be a suggestion, anyone, just drop it for us, and see you in my next video.